welcome. I am the creator of a game called Money Dash.
In this video, I will show how to create an easy saved game in Unity using PlayerPrefs. Here, we have an empty scene with a few UI objects. Let's create an score control object to store our scripts. Let's create a score control script. So far, we have created three basic functions: increase score, decrease score, and update UI. Let's set them as public, so we can assign them to our button. Once assigned, let's test them. Alright, they work perfectly. The next and final step is to save and load our score. To save our score, let's create a new save score script that, actually it should be our game save system. Now, to share our score, let's use an event every time our score change. If you do not know how to use events, check our Unity events video. With PlayerPrefs, we can save ints, floats, and strings. Always with a dictionary-like format, just set a key name and a key value just after. In the case, you have several variables to save, you just set them all, and in the end use the line, playerprefs.saveAll. Finally, to read the value of our variable, just get it, using the key name that you set before. Let's test changing the score and exiting play mode. When entering play mode again, we see our score was just set to its last value. Perfect.
If you found this video helpful, consider to subscribe and like, so you help others to find it.